So today we are reviewing money. We are reviewing some money. You have a really fun lesson and activity in Seesaw today. I made a lesson in Nearpod, so we haven't used Nearpod before, but I wanted to show you your lesson in Nearpod real quick, just kind of what it'll look like. So, let me pull it up real quick. So it's attached to your Seesaw activity, so you'll also have a little bit of like an accountability piece after you do it, but it's student-paced, so you can do it whenever you want. I didn't want it to be like we all had to be on it and do it together, but this is what it'll look like. Nope, never mind, sorry. Let's do... So what you'll have, if it'll pop up, is you'll have an anchor chart, which I've shown you this before, to go over what a penny is, how much it's worth, what it looks like, who's all on the penny, the nickel, the dime, and the quarter. Then what you'll have is you'll have a Jack Hartman video about coins to do together. Well, and you can do it at your own time. Then there's this fun matching game that you will play. So all of these will be flipped upside down, and you will have to match the value. So it has the value here with the coins, and there are some dollars in there, so it's a little bit of a challenge. Then there's this fun game called Time to Climb.
Miss Cooper?
Yeah.
I don't see it.
You can't see it? Can you all see it? Is it a thumbs up or a thumbs down? Darren, try to hop out and pop back in.
Now I see it.
Oh, now you see it? Okay. So, this fun game is called Time to Climb, okay? And what Time to Climb is it will ask you some questions like this: which set of coins is worth 51 cents? And then you would click on it, and then you'd have a little character that would run up a hill. Now, I do want to explain just one thing. So, like, my page looks a lot different than what your page will look like. Your page, when you click on the link and you type in the code, all you have to do is type in your first name. Zoe, Darren, Cameron, Gage, Easy, Emmy, Aubrey, Riley, Alice, Bristol, Carson, Vita, Egypt, George. Okay? You just type in your first name, and then I'll know that you completed it, and then you can just do the Seesaw activity. Okay?
Is it on Seesaw?
Uh-huh. It's all attached on Seesaw. So here, let me show you that too. It's all attached to Seesaw. I like to make Seesaw like a one-stop shop. I would never actually make you guys go to somewhere else that wasn't attached in Seesaw. So here, let me Okay. Right here. So say I was Sample. My name is Sample. Okay? Now, in the example part, so you'll click on the example here, and then see this code, HFD79. You'll click on the link. And then you will go to, so like, welcome to your lesson. I'm going to put, that was my maiden name because I joined Nearpod before I got married. So I'm going to put my first name, and then, see, it thinks I'm logged into Nearpod though, so you'll have to put the code in too. And then it'll start your lesson. And then you can do the video. Now, it won't let you skip, I believe, see? So if you try to just click through to get to the game, it won't let you do it. So you'll have to do every single activity. And then when you finish, if you do the whole Nearpod lesson, I'll give you 10 dojo points. Sound good? Okay? I'll give you the 10 dojo points if you complete the whole Nearpod lesson. And it's a good fun review activity, so if you guys like it, I'll make some for next week too. Okay? And you can do some more Nearpod lessons and games. Because you basically play like a game and learn by playing with the game. Sound cool? Awesome. Okay. I hope it works, and I hope the internet isn't being... Okay. Let's practice determining the value of some coins. You ready? Oh, go. Please tell me the value of those coins right there. Oh, let's go through real quick again. Hold on 1 second. Let's go through real quick the value of each type of coin. Okay. Who can raise their hand and tell me what a Q stands for? A Q stands for what, Alice?
Quarter.
A quarter. How much is a quarter worth?
25.
25 cents. Great job. Don't forget the cents part. Don't be unsure of yourself either. You're smart. Okay, what does the D stand for? Riley.
Dime.
Dime. How much is a dime worth?
10 cents.
10 cents. You got it, girl. That's right. Who can tell me what the N is? What does that stand for? What does the N stand for? Carson, what's the N stand for?
A 1.
So, N stands for nickel. And a nickel is worth how many, Gage?
A nickel is worth 5 cents.
A nickel is worth 5 cents. And then who could tell me what a P stands for? Bristol, what's a P stand for? What's the P stand for? It's copper. It has Abraham Lincoln on it.
Did you say my name?
I did say your name.
Penny is worth 1.
Yeah, it's worth a penny and it's worth 1 cent. That's right. Great job, girly. Now you can tell me what that is worth. There you have a quarter, a nickel, and a penny. Okay? I wanted to go over that first because I don't have my cute charts up. You might have to write it down. Don't just try to do it in your head. Sometimes even Mrs. Cooper has to write stuff down. That's a cool dance move, Riley. She needs to move her arms. Here, you go like this, and I'll go like this. I don't think she knew I was talking about her. She was stretching. She was moving. Oh, I like it. Oh, we got a robot over there with Mr. Gage. All right. Pokaż mi swoje prace in stray va jeden. If you're not finished, though, it's all good. Thank you, George, Emmy, Darren. Oh, I got a lot of friends not finished. It's okay. You can put it down, Darren. I'll give you a couple more minutes. I'm sorry. I thought most of you were done. Close, easy. Vita, I want to see this. What's the value of a quarter, a nickel, and a penny?
Wait, how much pennies?
Penny is worth 1.
Oh, yeah.
It's okay. Good, Gage, except your 3 looks like an E. It's backwards. That's okay. No worries, just letting you know. I would have still given you it was 36, not E6, okay? No worries, just letting you know. Ooh, we got another E6, Miss Aubrey. Your 3's backwards, but it's okay. No worries, no worries, it's okay. If our numbers are backwards, do you know that's developmentally appropriate for your age? No worries. Good, Rye, but I wanted to know how much a quarter, a nickel, and a penny is worth. Close, easy. I think you're miscounting the 25 and the 5. Okay. How much is a quarter worth?
25.
25. Who can help me and tell me how much a nickel is worth? Riley.
A nickel is worth 5 cents.
5 cents. Good job. She remembered the cents part. A nickel is worth 5 and a penny is worth 1. Now remember, on the bottom is where you can practice skip counting. So 25 plus 5, if I'm counting by 5s, I can do that. Or I could just add 5, because remember, we're just adding all these numbers together. So 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. 30 plus 5, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. And then 35 plus 1, 35, 36. So my value is 36 cents. Okay? I think some of you missed the second 5. Some of you put 31. So that's why it's good to write it out like this to help you skip count. Okay? And you can always flip it. You could skip count on the top, put the values on the bottom. No worries there. All right, let's try another one. I'm going to box in a little chart so it's separated. You have 2 dimes, 3 nickels, and 2 pennies. 2 dimes, 3 nickels, and 2 pennies. So I'll help you out a little bit on this one. Who can raise their hand and tell me how much a dime is worth? Aubrey?
10 cents.
10. Who can raise their hand and tell me how much a nickel is worth? Egypt? How much is a nickel worth, Egypt?
What do you do on the dime?
How much is a nickel worth?
5 cents.
5. Great job.
What do we do again?
Hold on. I'm not done with this part. You guys are rushing ahead of me. Pause. Pause. How much is a penny worth? Alice, how much is a penny worth?
1.
1 cent. 1 cent. Now you can skip count on the bottom. But I wanted to give you guys the values. Now you're telling me the total value of those coins right there. 2 dimes, 3 nickels, and 2 pennies. And I'm going to be quiet. When you're finished, you can put your hands on your head. Oh, I didn't even realize it. I got a minion in my class today. Okay. Pokaż mi swoje prace in stre va jeden. Thank you, Riley. Thank you, Emmy and Aubrey. You're both missing something, though, Emmy and Aubrey. Thank you, Zoe. Thank you, Darren. Thank you, George. Easy, you're missing something. Thank you, Alice. Thank you, Egypt. Thank you, Bristol. Thank you, Cameron. Yeah, there you go, Emmy. Now I see it. Thank you. So if I told you were missing something, that is because if I count, okay, by tens, what's 10 more than 10? Who can help me? Egypt, what's 10 more than 10? 10 plus 10 is? What's 10 plus 10 more? 10 plus 10. 20, yeah. 20. What's 20 plus 5? Who can help me with that? Riley, what's 20 plus 5? Remember?
25.
25. 25 plus 5 is? Who can help me out with that? George?
30.
30. 30 plus 5 is what, Alice? 30 plus 5? You're muted, but I think I read your lips. Did you say 35? 35, yeah. 35. Now we count by ones. Bristol, finish me out, girl. Help me out. 35 plus 1 is?
36. 37.
37. Now, a lot of you just had this. Is this correct? 37. No, what do I need, Darren? He's shaking his finger. What do I need, Darren?
You have this.
What's that called?
Cents.
The cents. Good job. That's right. I needed the cents symbol. So don't forget you need your money symbol. You can't just say it's 37 because it could be 37 apples, 37 pairs of underwear, 37 hot dogs, 37 gumballs, 37 brown ugly toads. That's not what I counted. I counted 37 cents. Okay? Great job. Alrighty, friends. Fantastic work. Okay, guess what? Our lesson is done. Go ahead, have fun with that Nearpod lesson. Please let me know if you need any help with it. Okay, please let me know. Cam, it was good to see you today, buddy. I love seeing your face and your work. Awesome job. Same to Miss Aubrey. I love seeing your lovely face as well. Bye, friends. Any questions? Any questions? Yes.
So you can do that near